Hey! Hey! Hey, wake up! Hey! I need help. I need help with my homework. I need help.
Hey, stop bothering me, man. Don't bother me. I want to sleep. Don't bother me. Ask your mom.
Hey, you use everything. You use our food. You gotta help us.
What did you say?
You're sleeping all day and you're supposed to help us.
Hey, give it to me 30 minutes. I want to sleep.
No, you keep sleeping. Help me. Help me with my homework. Hey, help me with my homework.
Don't give it to me a hard time, man.
No,
I
stop.
Sleep.
No.
Go ask your mom.
No, you use
Why?
our food, you use our internet, and you use all that, and you're...
What does that mean? What do you mean? You use everything?
Yes, then you just sleep all day. You don't help us.
Hey, don't bother me, man. Don't give it to a hard time. Ask your mom for the help, please. I'm not sleep last night, so ask help your mom.
No, you sleep all
Sorry.
day.
Sorry.
No, help me with my
Give it to me
homework.
30 minutes.
No,
Don't give it to me hard time.
help me with my homework. You stop lying. You were sleeping all day.
I want to sleep. I've been sleeping all last night, so I want to sleep 30 minutes. So come back after 30 minutes.
No, you always sleep. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Hey, I said wake up. Help me with my homework. Help me with my homework.
Really? You want to tell your mom?
No, help me with my homework.
I want to tell your mama, man. Stop bothering me. I want to sleep.
No, you sleep every day.
Call your dad. Call your dad. Why give it to me hard time for me?
Stop
Call
sleeping.
your dad. You have a dad,
Stop
right?
sleeping in this
No,
bed.
no,
You sleep
no.
every day.
No, call your dad. So don't give it to me hard time.
No, you use everything. Leave this house or help me. You
No,
always
I don't want to help you.
leave this house then. You always use all of our stuff.
Because your mama, she loves me.
No.
That's why.
You
I'm
use
here.
all
So
of
don't
our
give it to me hard time.
stuff.
Respect to your
Help
mom.
me.
Respect to your mom. Don't give it to her
Help
hard time.
me.
Don't give it to hard time.
No.
Hey, don't give it to hard time. Don't give it to hard time. Ask your mom. Ask your mom. I can't help you for homework. Don't give it to me hard time, man. I want to sleep.
No, you're not sleeping.
Why you give it to me hard time?
No,
What?
help me with my homework.
Adero, Adero, ask your mom. Ask your mom. Maxay homework ku sameeyay mama aqaanbe maanaam English baqaan maanaam luqad baqaan maxaa ku adayga dhibas haydiba iga taqale I can't understand English too, so don't leave alone for me.
No, help me with my homework.
How I can help you? I can't speak English. I don't know English. I don't know English. Don't give it to me hard time.
Help me with my homework. And you keep using... Stop. Hey, stop.
Stop. I'm not using anything because you are dad.
No, you use everything.
No, I'm not using anything. What do you mean you using everything?
You use my stuff. You use everything. You eat the food. Then it's empty the fridge, and you go to sleep.
What do you mean? Because because I love sugar mama. Stop. I love sugar mama. Go ask your mama. Go ask your mama help for homework. Don't give it to me hard time.
No, stop sleeping. Stop sleeping. Wake up.
Wariya Ilaahay yaqaana. Wariya Ilaahay yaqaana iga cishada. War bini yaabus maxaa joog. Adeer u daadaro macaa adeer kaamar. Adeer iska geedaa. Yaana ku inkaarne.
Help me with my homework.
Baba qaamba adeer waxba. I can't understand English too. How I can help you?
Help me with my
Naga Soomaali
homework.
waxa ma yaqaanaa ciyalkooda ma iyaga homework ka caawin karaya. Xabad baa laga yaabaa. Adeer u daadiga adeer. Homework ka caawin karayo. Macalimadii waco. Adeer ama hooyada iga caawin. Anu maxaa qanaale. Inta yaro bariiska lagu cunaan qanaay. Waa waxa macaan u saladay. Malakumood miya malakumood.
Help me with my homework. Help me with my homework.
Hey, you think I'm your dad?
Help me with my homework.
No, I don't
You
want-
use everything.
I don't
You
want-
use my iPad. You use everything, and you use my dad's stuff.
Where's your dad? I don't care your dad. Your dad, he just left. He never come back here, man. Don't give it to a hard time. Go ask your mom help for homework. Don't give it to a hard time. I want to sleep. I want to sleep last night. Yeah, Guursanin, but yeah, I want to say.
No, stop. I want to sleep. Stop. I want help. Hey. I need help with my homework. I said I need help.
I can't help you anything. I can't. I'm tired. I want to sleep. Go ask your mom. I tell you, how many times I tell you, go ask your mom. Don't give it to me hard time. I'm tired. أول بوحة كسي حواي ياك هوي ولا لا كسي حواي.
No, you sleep every day.
ياك هوي أنا شامع أنا كسي حواي بركو هربي. يقتك عليه. أنا لما نفت ياك لو كسي حواي قيلوه. أنا لو داد على المعاني.
No, you sleep.
أنا هون نعنع يقتك هون نعنع عانو نعنع هوي أنا يقتك. هو كان يقعد هو كان I give it to candy.
No. I need help with my homework.
I can't do it. I can't understand English too. Why give it to me? Why give it to a hard time?
You know how to use things, but you don't know how to do homework. Yes, you.
Hey, stop. إلهي قبري بايح معنا لك وارياه ناياه نكان وحي لك عيصدي كان وحي لك عيص قبري بايح من الوقت محا قبري بايح لك قبري بايح يبى ليقات يحياه يقحوتي إنك قبري بايح ما ليقات قبري بايح أيا ليقات أنا رجعت كوريا.
I need help with my homework. Hey, wake up! I need help with my homework.
وارياه أوه قال الجوبي نقط أوه قال الجوبي هو قال هاي هو يلا نقع عاود أوه قال الجوبي